How to launch a profitable ebook business in 2025. Hey there, future authors. Today we're diving into something incredibly exciting: how to turn your knowledge into a profitable ebook business. With the digital publishing market booming, there's never been a better time to start. Let's break down the exact process that's helped countless creators generate passive income through ebooks. The research phase, your foundation for success. The secret to a successful ebook starts way before you write your first word. Smart research is your best friend here. Instead of asking AI what to write about, head straight to platforms like Gumroad, where real buyers are spending real money. Browse through the writing and publishing categories and pay attention to what's actually selling. Look for patterns in successful ebooks. What topics are trending? What price points work best? What are readers consistently giving 5-star reviews to? This real-world data is pure gold for your planning phase. Writing your bestseller. Now for the exciting part: creating your ebook. The key is starting with what you know. Whether it's digital marketing, personal finance, or productivity hacks, your expertise is valuable. Structure your content like this. Start with a compelling table of contents that shows readers exactly what they'll learn. Share your personal story and why you're qualified to teach this topic. Break down complex concepts into digestible chapters. Include actionable steps your readers can implement immediately. Remember, you don't need fancy tools to get started. Google Docs for writing and Canva for your cover design are all you need to create a professional-looking ebook. The marketing blueprint. Here's where many creators stumble, but we're going to make it simple. Your marketing strategy needs 3 main pillars. Content creation. Write helpful articles on Medium related to your ebook topic. Each piece should naturally lead readers to want more of your expertise. Community building. Start a simple newsletter to build your audience. Even a small engaged list is incredibly valuable. Strategic promotion. Use platforms where your target readers already hang out. This includes relevant Facebook groups, Twitter threads sharing valuable tips, collaborations with other creators through affiliate partnerships. The key is consistency. Start small, provide genuine value, and let your audience grow organically. Final thoughts. Creating and selling ebooks isn't just about making money. It's about sharing your knowledge in a way that truly helps others. Focus on creating genuine value, and the sales will follow. Remember, every successful ebook creator started exactly where you are right now. Ready to start your ebook journey? Take that first step today by researching your topic. Your future readers are waiting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.